Good morning, my dear students. I heartily welcome all of you to ninth standard. Yes, my dear students. In ninth standard, science subject curriculum, there are totally 15 chapters are there, in which first chapter is matter in our surrounding. Yes, you all are already learned in your previous classes what is meant by matter and different states of matter. It may be in 7th standard and it may be in 8th standard. Let us see today. First chapter is matter in our surrounding. Introductory part. In our surrounding, we see a large variety of objects with different shapes, sizes and texture. All objects, in fact, everything in this universe is made up of material which scientists have named matter. Yes, my dear students, whatever we see in our surroundings, they all are termed as what? Matter. Yes. It means the universe is made up of matter. It means object, the air we breathe, the food we eat, stones, clouds, stars, plants and animals, even a small drop of water or particle of sand. Everything is matter. Yes, my dear students. First of all, the air we breathe. Air we breathe is termed as what? Matter. It means the process of respiration. Process of respiration. Second, the food we eat. The food we eat. Yes, the process of digestion. Here, respiration as well as digestion processes are not important. Yes, what is here? The air we breathe. It means the state of gas. Here, the state of solid, as well as combination of liquid. Yes, afterwards some examples are given there. Water, stone, clouds, and stars. They all are termed as matter. It means everything in universe, is made up of matter. Is made up of matter. Next, matter can be seen, matter can be tasted, and matter can be smelled as well as sensitized as well as tasted. It means three different states of matters are seen in our surrounding. We sensitized, we feel, touch and feel the matters around us. Matter can neither be created nor destroyed. It can only be changed from one form to another. Yes, all of you already know the definition of energy. Yes, but energy can neither be created nor be destroyed. We are only able to change its form, one form to another form. Yes, same. But matter can neither be created nor be destroyed. Can be changed from one form to another form. Take example, chalk. What is happening here? Chalk is termed as a solid state. Yes, after writing, dust particles are formed. Yes, dust particles are formed here. It means change their form. Okay. In modern day, scientists have evolved two types of classification of matter based on their physical and chemical property. In this chapter, we shall learn about matter based on its physical properties. Yes, matter can be distinguished as well as matter can be learned with the help of two First one is physical property, depends upon their physical properties, and second one is depends upon their chemical properties. Yes. Let us see matter. The definition of matter. Matter is anything that has mass and volume, or we can say that anything that has mass, occupies space and can be felt by our one or more sense organ is called matter. First, my dear students, matter is termed as water, anything that occupies space. Yes, duster is an example. Yes, here plastic coating can occupy water space, has a mass as well as volume. This is termed as water matter. The definition of matter. Remind it. First of all, matter is nothing but occupy a space, have a volume and mass. It is termed as matter. And classification of matter. Classification of matter. Matter classification. Early Indian philosophers classified matter into 5 basic elements. Yes, nothing but Pancha Tattva. Yes, Pancha Tattva include air, water, earth, sky and fire. Yes, Pancha Tattva include water, air, sky, fire, water and earth. According to them, everything living or non-living was made up of their 5 basic elements. Yes, Indian it started also. Everything in the universe, that is made up of water, matter. It may be living thing as well as it may be non-living thing. Nowadays, matter is classified into groups according to their physical properties and chemical nature. Yes, my dear students. Physical property as well as chemical change frequencies are classified. Matter in 3 states. How many states? According to our syllabus, matter is classified into 3 types. First one is solid state of matter. Second, liquid state of matter. Third one, gaseous state of matter. Yes, it means designed according to our scientists. Matter can be classified into 3 types: solid state, liquid state, and gaseous state. Our early philosopher classified it to Pancha Tattva. 5 types, it means Pancha Tattva. Yes, next thing. Next discussion point is change in state of matter. In your daily life, you come across various substances which exist in 3 states, that is solid, liquid and gas. Example, water, wax, ghee. Water is the most commonly observed examples that exist as ice, water as well as water vapor. Yes, my dear students, how the change takes place. Okay, example is given here. Example is water. Yes, of water often in 3 different states, as well as 3 different states of a matter. First, ice. In the state of water, solid. Yes, ice becomes and melts, form a water. It is liquid state or liquid state of matter. Third one is vapor. Water, vapor. Water, vapor, gaseous states of matter. It means here, my dear students, change of matter is takes place. First of all, ice is in the form of a solid. Ice get melts and formed as a water. When the process of boiling is takes place, or boiling of water is takes place, at the time liquid is get transported into gaseous state. It means water, vapor. Interconversions of states of matter. The states of matter are interconvertible. The phenomenon of change of matter from one state to another and back to the original state by altering the conditions of temperature and pressure is called interconversions of states of matter. Yes, my dear students, here interconversion process is not takes place in all different types of states of a matter. It takes place only few examples. Yes, my dear students, here take an example of water. Here the process of interconversion is takes place. How? Collection of water vapor, the process of condensation. Condensation. Yes, at the time water vapors are converted as water. Next, the process of cooling. The process of cooling. Water is get transported in the form of ice cubes. In this side, change of state of matter takes place as well as interconversion of one state of matter to another state of matter is also takes place. Next discussion point, terms involving change of state of matter. Yes, my students, before that, what you people learn how the process of change of state of matter is takes place. Afterwards, how the process of interconversion takes place. Now, let us see in which terms are involved the process of change of a state of a matter. Here, first one is fusion. The first process is here fusion. The process of conversion of a matter from its solid state to its liquid state at specific condition of temperature and pressure is called fusion as well as melting. Yes, my dear friends. First of all, what is mean by fusion? Yes, the process of conversion of substances from solid state to liquid state and temperature and pressure. Temperature as well as pressure is called or is termed as what the process of fusion. Yes, it means here the object is get transferred from the solid state of matter to liquid states of matter at moderate temperature as well as pressure is termed as what the process of fusion. Here example is taken as the melting point. Example of fusion, the melting point of water is 0 degree Celsius, as well as boiling point of water is Boiling point of water is 100 degree Celsius. Yes, but boiling point of water is not necessary in a fusion. Here only melting point of water is 0 degree Celsius. Yes, my dear students. First one is fusion and second term is boiling or boiling point. Yes, second one is boiling point. Yes, let us see what is the meaning of boiling point. The process of conversion of matter from its liquid state to vapor at specific condition of temperature and pressure is termed as boiling. Yes. The process of change of substances from liquid state to gaseous state, at specific temperature and pressure. Temperature and pressure is called boiling point. Yes, my dear students, observe it carefully. What is the definition of boiling point? The process of change of a substance from liquid state to gaseous state at specific temperature and pressure is termed as a boiling point. Yes, example is boiling point of water. Example, boiling point of water is 100 degree Celsius. Yes. Now recall what is meant by fusion. Fusion is the process of change of a substance from solid state to liquid state at a specific temperature and pressure is termed as fusion. Yes, example is given there. Water at 0 degrees Celsius, it means ice. Here, second term is boiling point. Here, the process of change of a substance from a liquid state to gaseous state at specific temperature and pressure is termed as boiling point. Example, water at 100 degree Celsius. Yes, my dear students, third term is sublimation. Third term is sublimation. Let's observe here. The process of change of solid state directly into gaseous state without passing through the liquid state upon heating and vice versa on cooling is called as a sublimation. Yes, my dear students, what is meant by sublimation? Correctly, the process of change of substance from solid state to gaseous state is termed as what? The process of sublimation. Yes, it is most important concern 9 syllabus, 10 syllabus as well as in your UC section. What is meant by sublimation? My dear students, what happened here? The process of change of states of matter takes place from solid state to gaseous states directly without come into liquid state. Without coming to liquid state. Without coming to liquid state. That is termed as water sublimation. Example, all of you already know naphtha tablets. Naphtha tablets. What is meant by naphtha tablet? Yes. In our Athni Bhasha, naphtha tablet is nothing but dambar gulgi. Yes, naphtha tablet means dambar gulgi. Next one is vaporization. Vaporization. Fourth one is vaporization. Yes, before learning about vaporization, now recall the definition of sublimation. The substances are changed directly from solid state to gaseous state. It is termed as water. So sublimation, it means without comes into liquid state or vice versa. That is termed as a sublimation. After discussing about sublimation, fourth term is vaporization. The process of conversion of a matter from its liquid state to gaseous state at specific condition of temperature and pressure is called vaporization. Yes, my dear students, the process of conversion of object at liquid state to gaseous state at specific temperature is called vaporization. Yes, my students, observe here carefully. What is the definition of vaporization? Here, the process of conversion of liquid state is converted into gaseous state at its specific temperature is termed as vaporization. Is termed as what? The process of vaporization. Yes. After discussing about vaporization, next point is, and means fifth term is freezing as well as freezing point. Fifth one, freezing point. Freezing as well as freezing point. The process of conversion of matter from its liquid state to solid state at specific condition of temperature and pressure is called freezing. Yes, my dear students, the process of conversion of states of matter from, so here the process of conversion of object from liquid state to solid state at specific temperature and pressure is called freezing point. Example, freezing point of water is 0 degree Celsius. My dear student, fusion point of water 0 degree Celsius when it is in 273 Kelvin. Yes. Now let us see what is the definition of freezing point. The freezing point is nothing but the process of conversion of object from liquid state to solid state at specific temperature and pressure is termed as freezing, as well as freezing point. And last term is it means a sixth term is condensation. Sixth term is condensation. What is condensation? The process of conversion of matter from its gaseous states to liquid state at specific condition of temperature and pressure is called condensation. Yes, my dear students. The process of conversion of matter from its gaseous state to liquid state. Yes, the process of conversion of matter. The process of conversion of matter from gaseous states to liquid state at specific temperature and pressure is called condensation. Yes, my dear students, it means condensation. What is meant by condensation? Our definition of condensation means the process of conversion of matter from gaseous states to liquid state at a specific temperature and pressure is known as a condensation. Yes, in today's period, we all are discussed about what are the characters as well as terms of things in different states of matter. Thank you.